What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to talk about AI tools that we can use to convert text to image, alright? So let's talk about the first one here. It's called Stable Diffusion. Well, again, disclaimer, there are more than these three obviously, but these three are like the most common one. So I picked those three. So the first one is Stable Diffusion. This is completely free. You can use this to convert text to image. This is AI image generator. You can enter your prompt here. Maybe I want to enter winter or something like this, right? And then all you need to do is just to click on this button, generate image, and then it might take maybe like a couple seconds or the longest might be like a minute. I'm pretty sure it's going to be less than a minute, right? It really depends on your internet connection stability too, but generally speaking, it's only going to take you maybe like less than 30 seconds based on my experience. Yeah, and then it will automatically generate you an image, right? So all you need to do is just to enter your prompt, enter the text here, what you want Stable Diffusion to generate you, and click on generate image, right? It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Again, kind of apologize guys, it takes a while. Perhaps it's due to my internet connections. It already took us like 50 seconds, 51 seconds. And yeah, this AI tool is going to generate us like 4 different images, right? So as you can see, these 4 images are not like taken from somewhere. No, these are generated by AI, right? You can use this as your backgrounds or maybe thumbnail or whatever, right? And don't worry about the ownership of these images. You have like the full ownership of these images, so you can feel free to choose to use this image for whatever purpose, right? So that's Stable Diffusion. Let's talk about the second one here, Midjourney. For Midjourney, unfortunately, is going to require you to pay. All right. So unfortunately, they kind of cancel like the free trial. So they used to have like free trials where you will be allowed to enter like 25 prompts, but since they canceled the free trials, now you need to pay like $10 to generate image on Midjourney, and for the like basic package, you got up to 200 image per month, right? And you pay like $10 a month. But the quality of images that you can generate using Midjourney is going to be way higher compared to other platforms like Stable Diffusions. And yeah, as you can see here, they have like way bigger data sets, and obviously from the standpoint of the uniqueness of the image, it's also like nowhere close, right? And that's the second one here, and let's talk about the third one. If you are in favor of free platforms, you can use OpenAI, right? The same thing with Stable Diffusion. Those two are free, so make sure you log into your OpenAI. um, it's been fully integrated with Gmail account, and I'm pretty sure 99.9% of you have like your Gmail account. So all you need to do is just to log in using your Gmail account, and then click on DALL-E 2, because that's the product that we're going to use, and then you can click on try DALL-E. All right, you can close this tab, too. Okay, so if you're new, right, if this is like your first time using this platform, you're going to get like up to 50 credits, but I've already used like 41 credits, so now only have like 9 credits left and this account, right? So how to do it? All you need to do is just to enter the prompt, right? Maybe you want to enter um, castle in winter, maybe something like this, and then all you need to do is just to click on generate button, right? And here we go. It might take you like a couple seconds. Normally it's going to take you like less compared to Stable Diffusions. See, it only took us maybe like 15 seconds, or not even 15, maybe like 10 seconds. And here we go. These are the images that have been generated by DALL-E. Maybe you can pick one of them. Let's see. And also don't worry about the ownership of this image. You can use this for whatever purpose you have, right? You can download it by clicking on this button. Yeah, guys, and in the first project that we're going to build, we're going to use one of these AI image generator to generate like some images for our content videos. So yeah, guys, in the next video, I'm going to teach you about text to audio tools. All right, so I'll see you guys there.